Assalamualaikum. We are Fundamental of Insurance student from DIN 1B, and today we will present a video about liability insurance. My name is Nur Aifa Amin Kristina binti Abdul Fattah. My matric number is 08DIN24F1062.
My name is Nokaranisa Najwa binti Muhammad Ali. My matrix number is 08DIN24F1097.
My name is Nur Ayrul Shafiq binti Aznan and my matric numbers 08DIN24F1035.
My name is Nurina Zuhra. My matric number 08DIN24F1105.
What is liability insurance? Liability insurance is a type of insurance policy that protects an individual or business from financial losses or legal obligations if they are found legally responsible for causing injury or property damage to someone else. This insurance helps cover costs associated with legal defense, settlements, or judgments in such case. Benefits of digital literacy. First, public liability policy. 2. Personal liability policy. 3. Product liability policy. 4. Employer liability policy. 5. Workers' compensation policy. 6. Professional indemnity policy. First, public liability policy. This policy protects a business against claims of injury or property damage made by the public, customer, or visitor, while on the business premise, it's covered legal fee and compensation for third-party injuries or damage. 2. Personal liability policy. A type of liability insurance typically included in homeowners insurance. It covers individuals from accidental injuries or property damage they might cause to others. This can apply to incidents that happen both inside and outside of the home.
3. Product liability policy. This policy is designed for a business that manufacture, distribute, or sell products. It protects against claim of injury or property damage caused by defective or unsafe products. Coverage includes legal defense costs and compensation if the business is found liable.
Employer liability policy. This insurance protects an employer from claims made by employees who suffer injury, illness, or disease as a result of their work. It covers legal costs and compensations for the affected employees. This is often required by law in many jurisdictions. Next, workmen compensation policy, also known as worker compensations. This policy covers medical expenses and lost wage for employees who are injured or become ill as a result of their job. It is a no-fault system, meaning employees can receive benefits without proving the employer was at fault. This is also often legally required. The last one, professional indemnity policy, also called professional liability insurance or errors and omission (E&O) insurance. This policy protects professionals like doctors, lawyers, or consultants against claims of negligence, errors, or omission in the service they provide. It covers legal defense costs and damage if they are found liable. In conclusion, this policy collectively help business and individuals manage the financial risks associated with various types of liability, ensuring that they are protected from unexpected costs due to claims of injury, damage, or negligence.
This is an example of liability insurance flowchart, and I will explain further about these flowcharts. First, public liability. Scenario: a member of the public, such as a visitor or customer, experienced an accident or injury on a business premise. For coverage, public liability insurance covers legal costs and compensation if the business is found liable for the injury or damage. Outcome: first, claim field. If the affected person files a claim, the insurance can help cover the legal expenses and any compensation due. Second, insurance cover costs. The insurance takes care of costs if the business is covered. Third, out-of-pocket costs if uninsured. If the business doesn't have public liability insurance, it may have to cover these costs on its own. Second, personal liability. Scenario: an individual accidentally causes injury or damage to someone else's property. Someone slips on a spill caused by the house owner. For coverage, personal liability insurance, often part of house owner policies, cover costs related to accidental injury or property damage. Outcome: first, claim field. If the injured person files a claim, the house owner personal liability coverage helps cover the cost. Second, insurance cover costs. The insurance covers legal fees and compensation. Third, out-of-pocket costs if uninsured. Without personal liability coverage, the house owner may need to pay the expenses out of pocket. Number 3, product liability. For scenario, a product manufactured or sold by a business causes injury or damage. For coverage, product liability insurance protects the business from claims related to defective or unsafe products. Outcome: number 1, claim field. If a consumer files a claim for injury or damage caused by a product, the insurance covers related costs. Second, insurance cover costs. The insurance helps cover the legal and settlement costs. Number 3, out-of-pocket costs if uninsured. If the business doesn't have this coverage, it might have to pay for legal fees and compensation on its own.
Number 4, employee liability. Scenario: an employee injured or become ill due to work-related activity. Coverage: employee liability insurance cover legal fees and compensation if the employee is found liable. Claim file: if an employee file a claim, the employer's liability coverage step in. Insurance covers costs. The insurance cover costs relate to legal defense and any compensation award. Out-of-pocket costs if uninsured. Without coverage, the employee is responsible for paying these costs directly. Number 5, workman compensation or workers' compensation. Scenario: an employee get injured or ill because of their job. Coverage: this policy provides medical benefit and wage replacement for injured or sick employee regardless of fault. Claim file: the employee can file a claim to receive benefit. Insurance cover costs: the insurance provides wage replacement, medical coverage, and other benefit. Out-of-pocket costs if uninsured. If the employer doesn't have workers' compensation, they might face penalty and must cover all costs personally. Number 6, professional indemnity or professional liability. Scenario: a professional like a doctor, lawyer, or consultant is accused of negligence or mistake in their work that result in a loss or harm to the client. Coverage: professional indemnity insurance protect professionals from claims related to errors, omission, or negligence. Claim file: if a client file a claim, professional indemnity insurance help cover defense costs and damage. Insurance cover costs: the insurance take care of legal fees, settlement, or compensation award. Out-of-pocket costs if uninsured. Without the insurance, the professional may have to pay legal fees and settlement themselves. Each type of insurance provides tailored protection based on the type of risk: public, personal, product-related, employment-related, or professional, helping to ensure that business and individuals are financially protected in the event of claims.